Here's how to create this crazy effect with your phone. You can click the button below and edit with me while watching. Using a tripod, get a blank shot and these 3 additional shots. Open CapCut and import your blank shot. Tap Overlay and import your first jumping shot. Split the clip right before you cross the bag. With the right clip selected, tap Cutout and Remove Background. Tap the keyframe button, scroll forward a few frames, and drag your body underneath the bag. Tap Split and delete the clip to the right. Tap Mask, Rectangle, and tap Invert. Adjust the mask so it covers the bag like this. Scroll to the first keyframe at the start of the clip and drag the mask to cover the bag again. Tap Overlay and add your next clip. Go to where you're emptying the bag, tap Overlay and add the third clip. Scroll to where you first touch the ground and tap Split. Tap the left clip, tap Cutout and Remove Background. Tap the keyframe button, then scroll to the start of the clip and drag yourself above the bag. Apply a mask to the bag like you did with the first clip. Then tap the clip to the right and add a mask so you can see both versions of yourself. And you're done. You should have something like this.